In Shillong, the Khasi Students' Union KSU Shillong Me Circle, along with the Farmers and Consumers Protection Cell of its Central Executive Council, carried out a surprise inspection today, the 6th of October 2025. During this inspection, the union closed down a pharmacy named Anshu Medical, located at Polo and owned by an individual from outside the state identified as one Anup De. The action followed complaints that a young woman, reportedly a BAMS Ayurvedic student from the Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, NEA, had been dispensing medicines at the pharmacy without a valid license. The union revealed that the student was still undergoing her internship and held only a provisional certificate, yet had been treating patients and selling medicines for the past 3 months. The KSU condemned the act, calling it illegal and dangerous to public health. The union warned that no one should be allowed to practice medicine without proper qualifications and valid licenses from the concerned authorities and the State Health Department. The pharmacy has been ordered shut, and the union stated that it would soon need both the management of the institution where the student is enrolled and officials of the Health Department to ensure strict enforcement of medical regulations and to prevent such incidents in the future.